When you're driving your classic car, is it maybe a little too harsh, a little too much road noise? Maybe when you're turning your vehicle, it's not quite turning with the way you want it to turn? Well, we are here to discuss subframe body bushings and hardware to maybe help you answer some of those questions. My name's Nathan. I'm here with another Tech Tuesday video. We're going to talk about subframe bushings and the hardware that goes with them. First off, we have the factory style rubber body mount bushings. We sell these for 67 through 9, 70 to 72, and the 73 to 81. These are going to be just a factory replacement style rubber bushing. They're going to be great and affordable for replacing your original factory bushings. We also sell polyurethane bushings. These come from Energy Suspension in red or black. The kit is going to come with the hardware and everything you need. A lot of these kits also have some instructions. We also sell some billet aluminum from Detroit Speed. We sell these in the 1/2 inch or the stock height. Kind of if you're going for a race car, maybe you need a little bit more rigidity, this is going to be a great option for you. If you just want to replace the bushings that go up near the radiator core support, this is the kit. It's going to come with the hardware and all 4 bushings. We sell this for 67 through 9 and 70 to 73 Camaros. To get these bushings installed into your car, we've got several different options. I've got a replacement style. These don't have the pointed ends. However, they're going to be at a good affordable price. These fit 67 through 81. If you've got a factory replacement style that you'd like to go with, we've got options for you. This is the brand new 67 and 8 style. We sell a 69 style, 70 to 73, and a 74 to 81. These are all the black phosphate. They do have the correct pointed ends. Some of the subframes that you probably have back at your house or your garage, they're not going to be quite like this. They're going to be rusted out and they're going to need repair. We sell the 6-piece kit. We also sell the 4-piece kit. This is essentially, you're going to want to cut out wherever this big fat washer goes and replace this, not just stack it on top and tack weld it in. So make sure you do that. If you do just tack weld it onto where that hole was, you're going to end up with some alignment issues. Maybe the door won't quite shut how you want it to, and so forth. So these are actually cut out where they go, put it in, and re-weld it. These subframe bushings here are going to cover the firewall, up towards the radiator support, and then underneath the front bucket seat. So just want to make sure you get you what you need and what you want. All the part numbers here will be in the description on the video. Check out musclecarcentral.com, firebirdcentral.com, and camarocentral.com.